You're funny. That's funny. That's funny. Go.
Yum.
Like a little puppet.
That's pretty funny, little guy.
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat any more of your blueberries?
So you're saying ask to go would be nice in the rain?
It would be quiet. There wouldn't be a lot of people there. The sand beach would be a great idea in the rain if we could get Mom to take the dogs.
Yeah.
That's when it was raining. I would take the dogs. Yeah. You escaping, Taylor?